ARC Aerosystems, specializing in UAVs, has achieved remarkable success. Notably, they crafted Europe's largest drone, the ARC C600. This drone comes in both hybrid electric and all-electric versions. With a wingspan of 8.2 m, it can carry payloads of up to 150 kg. The ARC C600 boasts an impressive range of 217 km and possesses vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, eliminating the need for a runway. Additionally, thanks to beyond visual line-of-sight technology, the drone can maintain situational awareness even when out of sight. ARC Aerosystems envisions the ARC C600 as a versatile solution well-suited for search and rescue operations, with plans for it to become fully autonomous in the future.
Sierra Space has some intriguing developments worth noting. They specialize in creating inflatable modules designed for space stations. Now you might wonder if this is some sort of deception for investors, but it's not the case. These modules will be part of the commercial station known as Orbital Reef, which has received NASA's approval. Construction of this station is slated to kick off in 2026, making the demand for these modules imminent. Sierra Space has much to offer their customers. These modules can inflate to the size of a 3-story building with a diameter of approximately 8 m, providing space for 12 individuals. What's interesting is that these modules are crafted from Vectran fabric, reputed to be even stronger than steel. Furthermore, there are plans to employ these modules for future Luna and Martian settlements.
GelSight, related to space, is a tool that creates 3D surface maps of objects, making it easy to inspect for small dents, scratches, and gaps. GelSight finds use in the aerospace industry as well as in scientific and forensic applications. One notable advantage is its compact design, making it handy for use on production and assembly lines. For instance, the GelSight mobile model is easy to hold with one hand, while the GelSight mini model integrates well with various robot arms. As for the pricing, you'll need to inquire directly with the manufacturer, but it seems to be significant, as a set of 4 replacement cartridges alone costs $600.
PowerNEST, a system that combines a wind turbine and solar panels, is 10 times more efficient than standalone solar panels and can fully power a 15-story apartment building. However, a couple of things to keep in mind. The system works best in buildings that are at least 5 stories tall, and it's recommended to have a space of 50 square meters for installation. Nonetheless, investing in PowerNEST is a smart move, as its components last approximately 20 to 25 years. And during that time, electricity prices are likely to rise much more than once or twice, resulting in substantial savings.
Metacoustic, a defense company, naval group, tire giant Michelin, and Amazon Web Services have all teamed up with Metacoustic. The appeal of this company to such diverse clients is that Metacoustic specializes in soundproofing solutions. One of their innovations is a patented material known as Metablocker. It's thin, lightweight, and excels at muffling even heavy bass sounds. Like many competitors, it's based on polyurethane foams. However, Metablocker outperforms other materials even during simple tests. For instance, in this test with boxes you're seeing on the screen, it shows an 8 dB difference. The manufacturers believe that Metablocker is an excellent option for airplanes and cars. They not only offer full-size demonstrators for specific projects, but also provide clear justifications backed by research.
Voixatch is another addition to the smartwatch market. Voixatch stands out because it has a Bluetooth headset cleverly built into the rotating dial. Additionally, instead of a traditional glass cover, it features a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, making it a blend of a watch and a smartphone complete with fitness tracking functions. For instance, Voixatch includes a heart rate monitor, a pedometer, and a calorie counter. The watch boasts a 580 mAh battery, providing a 2-day lifespan. On the flip side, the Bluetooth headset has a more modest battery, offering only 3 hours of talk time. However, it offers a decent 10 range. When you don't need to press any buttons to answer calls, just detach the headset from the watch. You can purchase Voixatch for $180.
Hippo Harvest. Amazon has ventured into the sale of greens cultivated by robots. It might sound like something out of a Black Mirror episode. However, this is the result of Amazon's investment in the startup Hippo Harvest. The company has developed a robotic system for highly efficient green cultivation. Notably, it uses 55% less fertilizer and 92% less water, thanks in part to machine learning. The robotic system considers extensive plant data to calculate the precise amounts of water, light, and fertilizers needed. Additionally, robotic harvesting reduces spoilage. Such initiatives form part of Amazon's efforts to address climate change concerns.
AccuVein AV500. This device would be of great use in blood transfusion centers, cosmetic clinics, and hospitals. It goes by the name of AccuVein, and its purpose is to assist in locating veins. The issue is that veins aren't easily visible beneath the skin of some patients. Consequently, multiple attempts are sometimes needed when searching for veins. The device comes with 2 lasers, and when you aim it at the skin, it instantly reveals the vein. This results in a 92% first attempt success rate. This also makes the injection 39% less painful for the patient. The cost of the device is $1,125.
LG StandbyMe Go. While many competitors focus on making their gadgets thinner and lighter, LG has taken a different approach by transforming what looks like a suitcase into a multimedia system with a 27-inch touchscreen display. This unique creation is called StandbyMe Go. The display supports Dolby Vision and operates on LG Web OS, enabling you to mirror content directly from your smartphone screen. For audio, there are 420W speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The entire system is powered by a built-in battery providing up to 3 hours of entertainment on a full charge. StandbyMe Go is priced at approximately $680.
Giraffenap. 1 in 5 people in Japan experiences sleep deprivation. Giraffenap pods were introduced in Japan. These pods are placed in offices, and in the future, they may even find their way into cafes. Giraffenap offers a power nap typically lasting 30 to 60 minutes. It's a quick recharge because you won't be able to fall asleep very soundly since you'll have to sleep while standing up. Developers claim that such short nap apps are quite effective, citing various experiments as evidence. For instance, NASA studies showed that pilots who took a 26-minute nap experienced a 16% improvement in reaction speed and a 34% boost in concentration. The approximate cost of a Giraffenap pod is $220,000.